50 daily used English sentences. Good morning. How are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. How's your day going? What do you do for a living? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please pass the salt. Excuse me. Sorry I'm late. What's the time? It's raining outside. I love your outfit. What's your favorite movie? Can I have the check? How's your family? Do you have any siblings? I'm feeling under the weather. Let's catch up sometime. Can I call you later? I need some advice. I'm a vegetarian. What's your hobby? It's a beautiful day. I have a question. What's on your mind? I'm so tired. Have a great day. Where are you from? What's your favorite food? I'll see you soon. I'm sorry to hear that. How's your weekend been? What's the weather like? Let's grab a coffee. How's your work going? I'm not sure. Can you repeat that? I don't know the answer. What's your plan for today? I need some help. Do you like to travel? I'm excited about the weekend. How's your pet doing? It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm looking for a job. Take care. Hope you will like my channel and support me. Subscribing, like, share and comment.